Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Guys, today is very important बेकार विषय we will चर्चा. Guys, ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିତେ ପାଉଛି there is a big guest coming to our Odisha. Is it सत्य?
Nope.
Big guest माने big बात्या. Of course you know. Because बात्या and Odisha have a घनिष्ठ संपर्क. That's why every वर्ष 2-3 बात्यास are visiting to our Odisha. We should proud of it that we have घनिष्ठ संपर्क with बात्या लोग. That's why के उड़ीसा को प्रेम करो न करो बात्या can't forget to प्रेम us. Well, you know guys, this परंपरा started from 199 मसिया. That was father of all बात्यास. And these are his छुआ पिला like violin, होड़ होड़, फोड़ फोड़, तितली पितली, funny etc. We should declare it a बात्या festival. It will be very भलो. Just like every वर्ष we celebrate Durga Puja and Kali Puja. In the same way, we also celebrate Bhatya Puja. Is my idea is भलो और खराब comment में तोड़े. Bye guys, happy Bhatya day. Stay सतर्क, stay मजबूत and stay with your परिवार. Thank you.